Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Litecoin continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $64.06 mark, and as long as we continue holding above that key area of support, there are chances that we can see an uptick here on the Litecoin chart, continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $67.13 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance with a retest. There are high chances that we can easily see Litecoin get above the $70 mark in the next coming hours. Alternatively, in case we continue holding below the 20-day MAs and also lose our key area of support at around the $64.06 mark, and maybe at some point we even get a reset, that is a retest, there are high chances that Litecoin might continue seeing further breakdown to the next key area of support at around the $62.31 mark, where we can find support and then get a bounce back to the upper side. And in case we lose that key area of support, then that will be suggesting a more bearish scenario, where we can easily see a break to the $58.1 mark, where we have our next key areas of support. We also have an Elliot wave structure here on the Litecoin chart after seeing our lows on the 11th of September, where we made a low at around the $57.79 mark. And after seeing that low, we saw that bounce to the upper side in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, then a massive surge in the formation of that wave 3 into the target areas for the third wave, where I gave you minimum target areas using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at around the $65.75 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that this corrective structure right here is the formation of this wave 4. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, I have a minimum target area for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the $64.21 mark and the $63.34 mark. And I can highlight that area here on the chart. And as long as you continue holding within this area, expect higher prices in the formation of this wave 5. And the target area for the wave 5, using the trend-based Fibonacci once more, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, I get a target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $69.4 mark, and that is so close to the $70 mark. And that is what I'm expecting in the next coming hours here on the Litecoin chart, where the moment we break above resistances, we can easily see the $70 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days, and a break below the $63.49 mark, we can easily see Litecoin get above, that is below the $62.31 mark in the next coming hours. And that is what I have in mind. Also, taking a look at the indicators, you can see that on the RSI, we are holding above the 48 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.